23 hours. Think about that for a second. That is more than half of a standard work week. And according to recent user data, that is exactly how much time property managers are reclaiming every single month by using one specific platform. Welcome to today's Explainer. We're bypassing the fluff today and diving straight into a data-backed analysis to answer one crucial question. Why is Doorloop widely considered the premier property management software in 2026?
Seriously, what could you actually do with an extra 23 hours a month? In the current real estate market, operational efficiency isn't just some nice-to-have luxury, right? It's literally the absolute key to survival. If a platform claims it can eliminate that much administrative busywork, well, we need to look strictly at the hard data, the system specs, and the verified metrics to see how it actually holds up in the real world.
So what is Doorloop in 2026? Put simply, it's a centralized, all-in-one property management platform engineered specifically for small to mid-sized businesses. It takes all those fragmented legacy systems you might be juggling right now, lease tracking, communications, payments, and accounting, and completely consolidates them under a single roof. The whole mission here is workflow automation, allowing operators to scale up their unit count without simultaneously exploding their payroll. And honestly, that scale is surprisingly accessible. Doorloop anchors its pricing across three main tiers. The starter plan begins at just $69 a month for up to 20 units, which is an incredibly low barrier to entry. The Pro tier moves to $119 a month, adding in things like outgoing payments and owner portals. And for those doing some serious scaling, the Premium tier at $169 a month unlocks full API access and Zapier integrations. Basically, it's built to grow exactly when you do. Moving right along to Section 2. Anatomy of the tool. Let's take a closer look at the key features and specifications. First up, we absolutely have to talk about the AI inspections workflow because it completely transforms property turnover. It's so simple. Step 1, a manager snaps photos during a walkthrough. Step 2, the AI instantly categorizes and structures all that visual data. Step 3, it automatically generates a standardized, compliant report in minutes, plus creates any necessary work orders. It takes a tedious, hour-long manual chore and turns it into an instant, dispute-proof process. It's kind of amazing.
Next up is the native accounting engine. Now, this isn't just basic bookkeeping. It's a custom double-entry system built strictly for property portfolios. You establish a property-specific chart of accounts, and the system just automates the double-entry updates as rent comes in or bills go out. Then, boom, it generates real-time P&L reports. The massive takeaway for you here, it completely eliminates the need to pay for and constantly sync with external software like QuickBooks.
And this brilliantly illustrates their approach to connectivity. Doorloop refuses to trap you in a closed ecosystem. If you're on the Premium tier, open API access and Zapier integration mean you can connect directly to Twilio, Calendly, MailChimp, or even Google Docs. You get to mold the software around your specific enterprise environment, rather than forcing your business to change its operations just to fit the software. That's a huge plus.
All right, Section 3, in the trenches. Let's look at real-world performance and scale. Now, theoretical features are great and all, but who is actually using this platform? Well, according to G2 market segment data, 95% of Doorloop's user base consists of small businesses, with the remaining 5% sitting in the mid-market to enterprise space. So Doorloop absolutely dominates the SMB sector. If you are managing anywhere from 20 to 150 plus units, you are looking at a platform engineered explicitly for your exact weight class.
Remember those 23 hours saved every single month we mentioned at the start? Well, here is exactly where that time comes from. Doorloop's AI assistant currently resolves 80% of routine tenant questions instantly. No human intervention needed. Portal queries, rent questions, basic maintenance, the AI just handles it. Only 20% of queries actually require a human manager to step in. Talk about a massive operational bottleneck being completely removed.
But listen, absolutely none of that automation matters if the system crashes on the first of the month when rent is due, right? We've all been there? Well, Doorloop maintains a 99.9% uptime. This rock-solid reliability is heavily supported by their recent $100 million Series B funding round, which pushes their total capital to $130 million. They definitely have the financial firepower to ensure their cloud infrastructure remains secure and lightning fast.
Section 4, the objective balance. Let's get into the honest pros and cons.
Let's look at the raw, unfiltered data. On the Pro side, Doorloop boasts a staggering 94% ease of use score. Users absolutely rave about the API connectivity and unified workflows.
However, looking at the con side, G2 reports indicate a 79% user adoption rate. This means that while the software is easy to navigate, some teams do struggle to fully implement every single feature. Plus, some users have noted occasional plaid sync issues, and to be fair, it currently lacks fully autonomous task execution compared to some of the massive enterprise giants.
To put that 79% adoption rate into perspective, check out this authentic critique from a G2 reviewer. They said, "I thought it would allow my rental process to be somewhat automatic, but I'm spending more time trying to learn it and debug it." This really highlights the reality of the learning curve here. Transitioning from manual processes to a comprehensive platform still requires a dedicated, upfront investment of time to get it set up properly. It's not magic on day one.
But, we absolutely have to counterbalance that critique with what the overwhelming majority of users are saying. Like this verified user who said, "The fact that it completely replaces QuickBooks for me, everything under one roof." This points directly to Doorloop's greatest strength. When it's successfully adopted, it completely eradicates the need for juggling multiple, fragmented, and expensive legacy systems. It just streamlines the whole shebang.
And that brings us to Section 5, the final verdict. Here is our ultimate takeaway. So what does this all mean? The data points to a very, very clear conclusion. Doorloop is the premier centralized platform for growing SMB portfolios, specifically those in the 20 to 150 plus unit range that demand speed and automation in 2026. With 100 million in Series B backing, robust native accounting, powerful AI features, and highly accessible pricing, it is for sure the definitive choice for operators who want to stop managing their software and actually start managing their properties.
Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a provocative question about your own operations right now. Will your current software scale to 300 units without forcing you to add headcount, or is it time to get in the loop? Think about what you could do with those 23 hours saved every single month. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep optimizing, and I will see you next time.